Welcome to the course on discrete mathematics. In this video, we will see algebraic properties of the set operations. I am Dinesh Jende, your course instructor, Department of Information Technology, VPKBIT, Baramati. What are the different algebraic properties of a set operations? Okay. The first algebraic property is commutative property. I hope you have seen this in your 11th and 12th. So what is the commutative property? A union B is same as B union A, right? And then second one, what about intersection? A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Okay, this is all about commutative property. Then we have associative property. Okay, what do you mean by associative property? So A union B union C is same as A union B union C. Okay, and then like that, A intersection B intersection C is same as A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so you can do the union of this first and then union of A. It's same as you do union of first two sets and then the third one. So it is all same. Okay, so this is the union and intersection operations are commutative as well as associative. Okay, now the third property is distributive property. Okay, what is distributive property? You may have studied it in your schools. Okay, so let us write the first one. A intersection B union C is same as A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, so you do the first intersection of A union B, A and B, and then find out the intersection. You apply intersection with C, and then you do the union operation of both results. Okay, like that. Can we have it for union? Yes, A union B intersection C is same as A union B intersection A union C. Okay, sounds good. Yes, and then the very interesting one is about the idempotent operation. What do you mean by the idempotent operation? So idempotent operations are the operations that you do for n number of times, the result is same. Okay, for example, if you add if you multiply by 1, okay, so if you multiply x into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, so ultimately the result is same. Or if you add 0, that is the same, like that. So the idempotent operations, like say A union A is always A, and like that you have A intersection A will be always what? A, isn't it? Okay, so all elements will occur in the intersection itself. Okay, so that is what is the idempotent operations. Okay, and then about the complement operation. So it is very easy. A complement, the whole complement is nothing but A. Okay, so this is about the complement property. And then I will write some other properties which are related to the universal set. So A union A complement. Okay. So what do you mean by A and A union? So let us consider this as the universe and this is A. Okay. So if you consider this as A and the complement of A is this. Okay. So it is always going to be your whole universe. Okay. This is not union, it is universe. Okay. Then like that we will have A intersection A complement. Okay, so this is A and the intersection of A is this. Okay, sorry, yeah, A, and this is what is the complement of A, and then what is the intersection of it? It is nothing, that is phi. Okay, third one is phi complement or null complement is nothing but U, that is universe. Okay, and like that U complement is what? Phi. Okay, this same. And then what about this distributive order, De Morgan law? You may have studied this in somewhere in 11th, 12th. Okay, De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? So A union B. Okay, and whole complement is nothing but A complement intersection B complement. Okay, so the rule is split this particular complement, make the complement of each set and inverse the operation. That is, instead of union, now I have written intersection. And like that, A intersection B and the whole complement is nothing but A complement union B complement. This is all about the De Morgan's law. Okay. Now let me add the next property, that is the universal set. A union universal set. Okay, is what? A, if this is A and this is the universal set. Okay, this is A and this is the universal set. So union is always going to be the universal set. Okay, and like that, A intersection universal set, like this universal set and A, what is common is nothing but A. Okay, good. Yeah, very good. Now about the empty set, we like that what we have done with the universal set. A union phi. Okay, means A is added with phi. What is the result? A. And like that, A intersection with nothing is nothing but what? Nothing. Okay, good. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please write your suggestion, queries in the comment box or mail me at dineshjhende@gmail.com. Thank you very much.